What you guys doing? Three.
Can I post that video on my channel too? Hello. Anna.
Gonna go.
Hey, what? You know, Mr. Blue, like he says, today we got 2 contestants to make this to clean up this whole thing. Okay.
Cool.
Let me do the intro first.
No touch, Benjamin. Benjamin's gonna black my work. See that? Here, hold it first. Like, go clean it down.
Hey guys, today we got. Hey guys. Shh. Hey guys, this is a challenge, and we got a lot of sticks. Hey guys, this is. Shh. Okay, wait. Hey guys, today is a challenge, and we're gonna clean up like 100 sticks. We got 100 sticks set up, and yeah, we're gonna clean this whole thing up.
Benjamin, come here.
Yeah, it's a lot. And we're gonna put it in this trash can. Okay, now let's go.
Almost done. Where's Benjamin, Josh? Find him. Part the way.
Oh shoot, where's Ben? Hey, come over here, boy.
You go over there.
Now let's do it. Wow, a lot of sticks.
No.
No. Anna, stop! Clean up! Oh, that's a lot of leaves. A lot of leaves. You should, like... Come on. You can't have the camera. Daddy, I'll just... This was harder than I expected. Blocking the whole camera. More like this way. Back to the video, guys. We got so much sticks that we can't even make it. We need to get all this. And then we'll get paid $50. Probably $15.
Benjamin. Do. Just forget it.
Oh man, oh. Go clean up some sticks. Look at the trash can. Okay, look at that trash can. That is way full. The trash can is full now again. Oh my God. We should have. You good? Yeah. Can I go in there and jump in there and then go back? Yeah. Hey guys, probably you know. Oh. Set up the camera. Oh man, set it up.
Benjamin. Come into the... Hannah, there's more.
Should we speed up the video?
Trying to grab it.
Oh!
Gonna reach it.
Okay, guys, I got a back spread. Okay. Daddy, step on it! She climbed on there and I can't. Oh my gosh, I think you're gonna fall.
Come here, Benjamin. Look, I'll put this one. Then like that, don't throw like that. Go. Sit and go. How far you put in there? Small?
Oh man! Okay, this is our dad gonna jump on here.
Can you watch Benjamin?
I put this one.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Okay, what's there? Yeah, and it's cleaning. Yeah. Put it all together, then grab it. Nice, Hannah. Momento. Hosta. Ah! Ah!
Watch him, okay?
Yeah. Let's see what Daddy. Hold on. Phew, guys, this was a lot of stairs. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it was that hard. I'm so tired, like literally. So sweat with this mic. Here's a crybaby. Phew, cleaning up all these in 1 minute and 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired.
Okay. You see this? Pomelo. This is a pomelo. Believe it or not, this pomelo, there are 2 in 1. I'll show you. Not many that comes in 2 in 1, but this one 2 in 1. Okay? See the shape like this? Let's open and find out. So you cut this. Alright. Very taking video. Very taking video. Alright. So. Alright, this end looks like this, okay? Alright. Okay. See this? See this? Alright. After I peel this out, the skin off, and you'll see it. They're 2 in 1. One of the words is there's a baby. See this?
Oh, baby, I want that.
Have you seen this? There's a second one right here.
I want the baby one.
There's a second one right here, okay? Alright.
The baby
See
one.
this? Did you see through like this? Hmm? See? The baby here, okay? So you know this is the main big one right here. Alright, I'm gonna show you this one. Alright, this one here, just like the other one. See? This is I call it baby. Have you seen like this? See? See this? Open inside. See? See this? Now you see it clear. You still have the sections right here, okay? Still have sections like this. Still have sections like this. Yeah? Alright. There's a big one right here, see? See? Yeah, amazing, huh?
Okay, it's
Pomelo.
this is pomelo.
See who likes this pomelo the most. And you can tell it by the mouth. Okay? Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Some tiny baby turkey. This is kind of sour.
Mmm. Oh. Oh.
It looks like gold, like a little bit.
Mmm.
I put a little bit.
Oh. Ah. Wow. That's sauce.
Oh my